Hey everybody, we are back with an eyeshadow tutorial. We're only going to use one eyeshadow for this. I just show all of the eyeshadows that I got from Coastal Scents in my latest haul. I think that was Thanksgiving when they had the huge sale. I think these were even lower than 99 cents, maybe about 70 some cents, something like that. But anyway, I said in that video that there were a lot of shades that I chose, the neutral shades that could be used as one eyeshadow looks. So in this video, I decided to show you how. I really like the shade Amber Bronze. I think that is so pretty. We're gonna go ahead and prime our eyes. So I'm using the e.l.f. eyeshadow primer. They do have several primers. This one is in sheer. And then I like to move on to a little bit of concealer. I'm going to be using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. This one is in Dark Cocoa. Alright guys, so after I put on the concealer, it really evens out the top of my lids, makes the brow bone area and the eyelid area all the same color. I go ahead and I set it just a little bit with my face powder. So you could actually do your face first if you wanted to with a look like this. I'm just lightly going over my brow area and setting it. So here's our Amber Bronze right here. I'm just going to take my finger and swipe it over my lid. Not going too far in the inner corner, not going too far in the outer corner. Just applying it right here on the lid, giving the lid just a pop of something. I think this would be a terrific look to wear to work or just out shopping or something. Just pulling yourself together a little bit. So guys, that is pretty much it. You just used your finger to really centralize the shade and you kind of blended it out across the eye. You didn't take it too high, too low, inner corner, outer corner. You really tried to focus it in the center of the lid. That's your pop right there. Now, if you want to go into another shade, be my guest. You can do something a little lighter right there on the ball of your eye. You can go in the inner corner with something a little lighter, but I promise to keep this one shade. So what I'm going to do is go back to my little brush where I was applying my powder. Just go around it a little bit. We're going to go ahead and curl our lashes. For mascara today, I'm going to be using the Roller Lash Mascara. This is from Benefit Cosmetics. Just trying this out for the first time today, so let's see. You guys know I don't really have any lashes, so let's see what happens here. It really makes your lashes look nice. I'm very pleasantly surprised. I think this is the first product from Benefit I've ever owned. And I'm very happy with it. This formula is very nice. Okay, so they're looking very pretty. Wow. I'm going to use a little eyeliner here in my waterline, just a little bit on the outer corners. And I think I want to do my face makeup first, and then I'm going to apply a little mascara on my bottom lash line because it's going to get so dusty with powders and foundation. But aren't the eyes lovely? Very nice. That mascara is a winner. That is the Roller Lash Mascara by Benefit. Yeah, Benefit, yeah. Okay, let me show you guys the box. And they said it's like a special design. It's supposed to hook and roll the lash. You hook it and then you roll your brush a bit or the wand and you get great lashes. I am really digging that. So you guys know I've been loving my little, neutral lipstick. This is in Coconut from shopmissa.com. Love that. Also have my Pitch lip liner that they discontinued from ColourPop. Okay, so we're gonna line our lips. And the coconut lipstick. All right, and I like to put a little bit of lip gloss over top. This is a clear lip gloss that just got a little staining. And I'm going to add a little bit of mascara to my bottom lash line very carefully. This is usually where I mess up. All right, guys, so I have lashes now, top and bottom. So I think that I'm going to do more and more of these one eyeshadow tutorials, especially for those of us who, you know, you're just not there yet and you feel like if I could just conquer one eyeshadow, I know I can do the rest. So we're just going to work ourselves up from one, then we're going to do two. I'm going to just start some playlists and we're going to see what we can do. And that's about it. For my lips, I'm using a CoverGirl lipstick called Infamous. This is number 455, Infamous. It's nice and deep, nice and vampy. I'm using Night Moth Lip Liner by MAC. Very nice. So when you go neutral with your eyes, like amber bronze, you could do a neutral lip. You could do a poppin' red. You can do an orange, a fiery orange. You could do whatever you want to do on the lips because you kept the face so neutral and neat. I'm trying out a new foundation on this video. I will have the link up in the cards above or down below as soon as it's up and ready, so you guys can check it out. I am digging this foundation. I think that this is, it's going to be hard to beat. For this to be the beginning of the year, this is the first foundation review I have done, or at least first impressions. I'm blown away by it, and I feel like it's going to be a hard one to beat. I really do. So you guys make sure you check out that video. I even tried out some of the company's highlighter and everything. Very subtle. It gave me everything that glowy skin would give me, but because I have oily combination skin, I don't like putting oils onto my face because I'll break out. So if I can give the illusion of glowy skin, that's what I do. So guys, be sure to click that notification bell because there are going to be a lot of good videos going up on this channel this year. You don't want to miss out. Cyber kisses. Click that notification bell and subscribe. Talk to you guys later. Bye.